What's up, guys? Welcome to your 130th Android tutorial. What we're going to do is we're going to obtain an API key for Google Maps. We need to obtain one of these every time we develop an application with Google Maps in it. So you guys want to go to this website, code.google.com/android/add-ons/Google-addons/map-key.html, and that's going to basically help us to walk through setting up a Google Maps project. And over here you can get the overview. We've kind of done everything so far. All we need to do now is get the get the Maps API key. So we're going to click that, and I thought it would have taken us to where we were. Okay, yeah, and then it brings us here, and then we can click obtaining Maps API key, and they kind of walk you through everything. First, we're just going to get a debugging key so you guys can follow along easier. But when we sign our application, we're going to have to get a specific fingerprint for our application for it to work on, on the marketplace. But as for now, we're just going to work with the debugging one. And the first thing that we have to do is we have to find basically where this debug key store is located. And also, you guys want to open up your command prompt. On Windows, you just hit the start button and then type CMD into the search and hit enter, and then run your command prompt. On Mac, you guys want to go to your terminal, which I believe is your applications, and then your utilities, and then your terminal. So open that up. Now what we need to do again is we need to find this resource. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into Eclipse, and for Windows you want to go to the Windows tab. For Mac you want to go to your Eclipse tab and then click Preferences. Once we open up our preferences, we're going to go to the Android folder and then to the build path. And as you can see, here's where my path is located. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this debug key store path that we're going to use later when we work with command prompt or the terminal. So just make sure you have that copied. And there we go. And now what we're going to do is we're going to open up our command prompt, and we're going to basically type what is right here. So pretty simple. So what you guys want to type out is key tool -list -alias Android debug key -key store. Whoa. And then we paste our file path, which you guys just copied. So we have this key store here, and then we just say -store pass, and the password is Android, which they have set up, and then also our key pass is Android as well. And we hit enter, and it gives us this unique fingerprint. So we're going to copy this, just control copy. And then what we need to do is we need to register that fingerprint. We need to go to the sign up page here, and then we have to print our fingerprint. And you guys will probably have to have a Google account, a Gmail account or something. So we just paste that there. Yeah, you can read this. It's all that good stuff. And hit generate API key. And here we go. Here is your unique key and all this other good stuff that we can reference later. So just make sure you save that and then watch the next tutorial where we'll actually use this and you guys understand what's going on here. So thanks again for watching, guys, and hope it wasn't too confusing. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Peace.